Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below. Most of them have links, so check that out. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified of future videos, hit the notification bell. Love it when we get the business out of the way. Okay, I have ran across, now it may not be new, it may be, I don't know, but I have run across a interesting way to make coasters. This is a 4x4, you can see size. And I was playing around, not wanting to quit, of course, but I wanted to play. So I was finishing up a lot of paints and I started running across this pattern and this fun, and it was so fun. So this is what I'm doing. I'm not making a lot of little layers. I want bold colors. I don't want to blend. I don't want to mix. So I am putting pretty big chunks of color and random colors, fun colors. That was ultramarine, I think. This is Payne's gray. I need white. And I'm doing like a dirty. I'm squirting it in there. I'm not really paying attention to it. I think that's what I do. That's what I've been having good luck out of. So I have all my paints in these, and the camera's really close, so it's hard for me to show you stuff. I want white. And I'm squirting pretty hard, so it's shooting down in there. I've got some of that blue down at the very bottom, I can see. And what else do I want? A green? Sure. No, yes. No, yes. No, yes. I do. I'll take a green. I need white. It does not need to mix with that red. Now, okay. So that's almost to the top of this little cup, and it's a 30 millimeter. No, it's a 30 mm. It's a medicine cup. All right. If y'all watch my other stuff, you know the cats somehow find where I'm at. All right. So what this means is the red and green and blue is going to be in the center. The darker blues on the outside. I don't know that I want to change it, but yeah, I want dark blue somewhere in this. So let me do this. Okay, I just want some dark blue there. All right. Now, I just haphazardly do this. If you hold it too high, it blends. If you hold it too low, it just makes a stripe. So you've got to find your spot where it makes those little jaggedies. That's what I'm going for. This is about 3 inches. Let's see what that does. Yep, there we go. I don't worry about... Now see, it started getting solid blue, so I went back a little bit. And you can do things like that. I'm going back through it because I don't want all that solid. And I just pour. And however it falls, it falls. It may plop. It may just... There's a lot of reds I'm going to go through because I know I'm getting some green right here. And I think, is there any place I want to really mess it up? And I know that's a lot of ink, and you may not need that much. Now I go ahead and fill this in, and I may leave that because I can use that a later one. So I want to torch it. That's going to get bubbles. It's going to make cells. When the cells stretch, they're really pretty. Okay. Let's see what we end up with. Now what I've got under here is like a meat tray. Like a chicken in it. And it's great for pouring these things unless you want to keep your colors for magnets or something. Okay, I see a couple of blops I'm going to get out. Is there one here? I don't think so. Okay. And you know, this isn't a lot of paint, so if you don't like it, ditch it. I am not loving it, I will be honest. So I'm going to stretch it a little bit more, see what I've got. But I'm probably going to, I don't know what that is. There's something right there. I'm starting over. So there we go. I'm going to rake a little bit of this off. I want to show you. Just don't take it seriously. Have fun with this. Okay, so we'll start again. So there's that. Put some red in it. I'm going to put my Payne's gray. White. Where's my brown? I want brown. Where's my turquoisey blue? Again, this is too much, I know. But I don't have to pour it all, and I can save it, so. All right, let's go do this again. You know what I think I'm going to do is move this camera a little sideways. See if that'll help. See if you can see any different. Okay, that's a cool pattern. I can't wait. So, second row. Okay, that's coming off, so I'm not going to worry about that. That wasn't even half, but see, there's paint already on here, so I don't need as much this second round. Okay, let's get that torched up. Okay, so let's stretch. Sorry, there's a compressor. Okay. Very busy, and y'all are going to hate this, but I'm not. I won't pow. So, I do want to put a little bit of brown, because I do like the brown in here with the reds and blues. Squirt that. I'm going to do it again. I'm not loving it. Let me stretch some more. Let's not stop loving quickly, because it's not going to hurt anything to keep stretching. And this is where you keep going till you find one you like. I mean, it's just, yeah. So let's do this. This time I'm not going to torch it, because it broke up a lot of that. I'm just not loving it. All right. I'm getting better movement behind the pour than in front of it. So we'll do that. That looks like it may be a good one. I am not going to torch this. I don't want the cells yet. Okay. All right, this looks like it's going to be a good pattern. So, you know, you may not want to torch right off the bat. See how the pattern plays? Nice. Okay. That I like. That is really neat. Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to run through, hit some of these. Yeah. All right. So that is what I do. I just keep pouring until I like something. And then you stretch it out and see what else you're going to like. And I don't know why I'm still doing this. So I like it. I like it. Leave it alone. Stop. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, there we go. Now, you can make a set. They're all going to be different, I'll just tell you. So these are my individual ones. And had I put this on silicone mat, I could have gotten some magnets to go with it, which is really cool to do. I've done that on a few, and I've got some videos out that I've done that with, and yeah, it's a cute little set. 4 coasters, 2 magnets out of the same paint, so it's awesome. So I'm gonna see if we can get a little closer. See how cool is that? All right. Well, that is it.